Welcome to the Learning Studio. In today's episode of our Education and Teaching series, we're focusing on something every great teacher does: lesson planning and delivery. It's not just about walking into a classroom and talking. Behind every successful lesson is a thoughtful plan and a powerful delivery strategy. This video will show you how the best educators make that happen. Don't forget, you can watch the full series by clicking the playlist link in the video description below. What is lesson planning and delivery? Lesson planning is the process of deciding what to teach, how to teach it, and how to check if students learned it. It's your teaching roadmap. Lesson delivery is about bringing that plan to life in the classroom with energy, clarity, and flexibility. Planning gives structure. Delivery gives experience. Why it matters: without a solid lesson plan, even experienced teachers can lose focus, miss key concepts, or leave students confused. And without effective delivery, even the best plan can fall flat. Good lesson planning and delivery helps to meet learning objectives clearly, keep students engaged from start to finish, ensure content is age-appropriate and inclusive, create smooth transitions, and save time. Make learning meaningful and memorable. What's in a great lesson plan? Every strong lesson plan includes a few key elements. Learning objectives. What should students know or be able to do by the end of the lesson? Introduction or hook. Grab attention. Start with a story, question, or visual. Instructional content. The core of the lesson. This could be a lecture, demo, group activity, or video. Checks for understanding. Ask questions throughout to make sure students are keeping up. Practice. Let students apply what they've learned through exercises or discussion. Closure. Wrap it up. Summarize key points or ask students to reflect. Assessment. How will you measure success? A quiz, group feedback, or exit slip. A good plan is also timed, flexible, and designed with your specific group of students in mind. Tips for effective lesson delivery. Be enthusiastic. Energy is contagious. Use visuals and movement. Keep it dynamic and multisensory. Differentiate. Adapt for mixed abilities and learning styles. Stay student-centered. Make space for questions, interaction, and voice. Reflect afterward. What worked well? What needs to change next time? Remember, the best teachers aren't perfect, they're reflective. Real-life example. In countries like Singapore, lesson study is a collaborative process where teachers plan, observe, and refine lessons together. It's a key reason their education system ranks among the best. It's all in the planning and delivery. Why aspiring educators must master this. As a future teacher, lesson planning and delivery will be your daily superpower. It's how you organize your ideas, serve every student, and grow your confidence in the classroom. No matter what subject you teach, this skill is universal. What's next? In our next episode, we'll explore educational leadership and administration that prepares students for roles in school or system leadership. Be sure to subscribe, share your thoughts in the comments, and check out the full playlist in the video description. Thanks for learning with us, right here at the Learning Studio.